amazing. Hello world. I wanted to give you a quick demonstration on the Old Blood Noise Endeavors MAW Microphone Audio Workstation, especially for the use with Harmonica, because I haven't seen this yet and I just want to give you a little demo of how it sounds. So at the moment I'm running dynamic microphone Audix Fireball. Right into the MAW, and from here I'm going out with the instrument output into my audio interface. This is the first time I'm doing this, so people let me know if you like it and what I can do better. And be warned, this video contains weird noises, a lot of volume jumps, so it's actually a clean signal at the moment. I've got the saturation on. Turn it off and you can't hear me that good. It's only on low levels, so saturation is over here. There's more technical reviews on what this thing actually has technically. I'm just going to focus on the sound with harmonica. But yeah, here we go with some distortion. And I'll just click through some of the effects and give it a listen. So here, clean signal first. And with saturation turned on. Should actually give you a warning that this is going to get loud and peaky at some points because, yeah, I'm going to fiddle around with the effects. So normally you'd try that out first and get your balance right, but I'm just going to play around. So that's the saturation section. Turn it on and off. And all these switches have like a momentary function, so you can turn them on and off by holding them or toggle on and off. Next, we have the first effects section. These are these knobs. So we have some octaves, a phaser, a short delay, and 2 reverbs. And I'll just switch through and see how this goes. 2, so this is the octaves. They're fairly good for getting weird sounds. So here's the blend knob where you can kind of blend in between each effect. So let's leave this fairly centered. Next one's a phaser. Phaser. Yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2. And back to the harmonica. And the next one is a short delay. Oops. It's like a little slap back. Wow. See, this can get really, really insane pretty fast. They say it doesn't self-oscillate, so... You can also use these effects temporarily. So you got this back, feedback. To the calm. Okay, next one's reverbs. Test. Typical reverb. another larger reverb. Now let's go to the second effects section. Here we have a rotary, a flange, a long delay, and another 2 reverbs. Yeah, the clicky noise is one thing that annoys me a bit about it sometimes, but normally as soon as you have them engaged once, they kind of work, so they don't click. Same here, it's a temporary thing, so I can have it either turned on and then temporarily switch it off. Oh damn, I think you didn't hear most of this. Yeah, okay. So the first is rotary. Next is a flange. And another 2 reverbs. Oh no, the long delay. One, 2, 2. Now it fade out. It's got tails. And another 2 reverbs now. Amazing. Well, this switch is mostly to select either going through a 1/4-inch jack, XLR, and you also have a XLR dry, which mostly just includes the saturation section, and the effects are separated, so you can actually run it into a console. Let's try with a few effects combined. Well, been lost. Let's go. I'm out of space. Wow. Where did this come from? Oh my god. And so, and so, and so, and so, on one, on one, on one, on one, on one, on one. Help, 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 help. So many, oh many, oh many, oh many, oh many, oh many. Okay, won't do this. Wow. If you want to see more stuff like this, then let me know by liking, subscribing, and commenting. I'll try and make a video with actual use cases where I can hook up a looper into the effects loop of the back side here. Have a wonderful day.